A great pairing to add to our organic moonwalk cleaner is our Moonwalk Disinfectant. You can spray this over areas, especially such as entrances and exits of your inflatable, to disinfect it and to remove any bacteria. When you are running inflatables, you want to make sure that they're sanitary and safe for kids, and so this is a great way to have peace of mind in that. This is a concentrated bottle, so this 8-ounce bottle will actually get you 16 gallons of disinfectant. And this doesn't only disinfect, you can also use it to remove unwanted odors from your inflatable just by spraying down an area, misting it, and letting the disinfectant sit on the inflatable. You don't want to wipe it away, you just want to lightly spray it and let it sit there. Once it dries, it will disinfect and deodorize your inflatable at the same time. If you combine 1 tablespoon with 1 gallon of water, you will get the normal concentration you need to disinfect your inflatables. Adding water and diluting it may sound like a bad thing, but this is so concentrated that it doesn't affect the strength of the disinfectant at all. This is an easy and affordable way to keep your moonwalks sanitary and keep the kids playing in them safe.